For activity number 2 today, you are going to search and color the shapes. So up here it tells you a circle, you're going to color purple. A square, you're going to color orange. All of the hexagons, you're going to color yellow, and so forth. Now I noticed that some of my friends in my class have found a tool over to the left side that makes a shape and you can stamp it. So if you can figure that out and change the color, then all you have to do is come and stamp where you find that shape. If you can't figure it out, just use your marker and color as best as you can to search and find. At the bottom, then it wants you to count how many. So how many circles, how many squares you find. For this activity, it may take you longer than 5 minutes for the record. So if you feel like it's going to take you more than 5 minutes, you can just do it without recording and send your teacher the completed page when you're finished.